What is up, everyone? So today I'm super excited. If you follow my channel, I have a downpipe on my car, but I'm still rocking a stock exhaust. I need some more noise, some more volume. So thanks to my good friends at Speed Industry, I'll put a link to where you can get this exhaust below. But anyways, let's reveal the exhaust. Just came in from UPS, and let's see what it is. So let's check it out. Alright, here we go. So I'm gonna go over here and get the rest of the packaging out, but anyways, I went and bought the AWE track edition with the diamond black tip. So I was back and forth between, do I want an exhaust that can work with a valve, or do I just want something ridiculously loud? So since I don't drive my car every day, I just went with something loud. Let's unpack the rest of it and show you exactly what came in the box. Alright y'all, so here's the layout of the exhaust. It's probably not set up correctly, but anyways, just gives you a general idea what we're looking at. So here's the box right here. Comes with a nice little blow pop. Got some brackets right here, some block off plates. There's all your clamps and whatnot. That's everything that comes in this box right here from AWE. And if you take a look here, it's pretty much just a straight pipe. So these are the black diamond tips. And yeah, basically I won't have the exhaust valve anymore for sport normal mode. So it's pretty much just gonna be straight pipe all the way back. And we'll come over here. You got a nice little track edition, little serial number put on there. It's pretty nice. But impressed with the welds on here. These are super thick welds right there. So yeah, we'll come here to this collector right here. So you're definitely going to make sure that you have this right here, because this was going to connect your downpipe to your cat back. So you have a huge collector right here. There's no resonator inside here, already checked, but you have a nice AWE stamping right there. So overall, there you go. Here's the layout of the exhaust. And I don't know, this one here is pretty loud, so I'm curious to see how loud this one is. All right guys, so this is our X-brace. I'm starting from the rear of the car, the front of the car. This one right here, and it's going to be the same right there on the other side. Those are the your Torx bolts. Everything else is right here, and in the front it's a 13 mil, and then you got a little 10 mil to take this little plastic cover off. So just pry it down and slide the X-brace back towards you. Now we're going to go and take a look at the exhaust servo valve. There in the back muffler, you're gonna take that off right there, which connects right here to your sensor. So basically you have your car in sport mode, you press start, you come back here and disconnect this. That way you're able to have your solenoid in the proper position when you stick the solenoid cover from AWE on there. All right guys, so up in there, daggone it, right here, it's where your exhaust hangs, and it's identical on the other side. So a 13 mil, again, it's going to be a common socket you use. And right now we got the muffler hanging right here. So we got another one way up there behind the downpipe. So there's a clamp that connects the downpipe to the cat back, and another one up there where the cat back gets mounted to the body of the car. So I'm gonna get that. All right guys, so we're at the front, and let's see here. Okay, so there is your clamp for your downpipe, your cat back. That's a 14 mil. And then, daggone, underneath here where my finger is, somewhere in this general area, there's another fastener you have to take off. That's another 13 mil. So once we have that off, we pretty much got everything in the back off. We're gonna be able to drop this and slide it on out. All right, as you can see, the entire system's off. So it's super easy. You know, once again, you get connectors here, and over there for exhaust hangers, you got another one here, and then one up there, and you clamp for your downpipe, and that's pretty much it. So it's a two-person job, but I'm not gonna have this humongous muffler here anymore. It's basically just gonna be these two pipes right here. As you can see, you got a bunch of bends and flat spots from the factory to get in. You have these huge, I believe it's 3-inch piping. And we come forward, here's your resonator. That's just a collector right there. But yeah, we have 11 pounds weight savings, according from AWE. And yeah, it's pretty simple, pretty modular. Nice thing about working on a Supra or BMW. All right, y'all, so here's your coupler right here. You all got 3-inch clamps right here. Obviously, the rest of the pipes are 3 inches. So this larger one is gonna go here. And this is the first pipe we're gonna put on. So your coupler from your down pipe to this collector piece right here. And then you're gonna work these 2 side pieces. And then obviously those little S-shaped bends, which would be your mufflers. All right, I got my buddy Mike here helping me wrenching away, but as you can see, we got some stands up here to help hold everything up. We don't have everything tightened up yet. It's just all the pipes put in place, but right now we're putting the hanger back on each side. And then, yeah, so this is the, I don't know, probably the most annoying part, getting everything lined up, so on and so forth. But I'll catch you when I get everything together. All right, guys, it's on there. Just took a little bit to get everything to line up because it's a multi-sectional exhaust. But yeah, I'm not gonna count how many hours it took because we just kind of took our time, which you should, you know, have a couple beers, whatever. But yeah, overall, I find the BMW system to be very modular and very easy. So once again, saved 11 pounds off of that one. There's AWE, and I also took the actuator for the whatever valve, and I just zip tied it up inside there. So yeah, here we go, first start.
All right, ready?
All right, we're in sport mode. Let's give it a rip.
Start it up.
All right, guys, what I will say is this exhaust is not for the faint of heart. It is super loud. So I don't drive my car on a daily basis. If you do have a daily driver, I would probably go to the touring model because this track edition is ridiculously loud. Some of the things I did notice was that the cracks and burbles are super deep now. It's everything on here is so bass oriented, where the stock exhaust kind of had more like more crack, you know, a lot of crisper pops. But these pops, I can't explain it. It's like it's a lot of bass. Everything in here is all bass, and even in the car, it just feels like there's a lot of bass resonating inside the cabin. So other than that, while you're driving and you're cruising, you're at normal RPMs, it's really not too loud. You know, you can hear it, but it's nothing crazy. But like I said, if you definitely get on it, it's loud. And like I said, the bass really fills up the cabin. So other than that, the only difference between sport and standard mode is that standard mode you can get the cracks and burbles, but obviously without the exhaust valve on there, the volume is going to be the same. So overall, you know, you lose 11 pounds of weight. I think it sounds great. It's definitely obnoxious, but if that's what you're going for and you don't have to live in a state where you can't have things like this, then, you know, good on you. I would definitely recommend this. So once again, link to where you can get this in the description from Speed Industry. I got mine for, I think, $17.50 US shipped, and that's in mid-December of 2020. So yeah, definitely go help out and support Speed Industry. Other than that, if you happen to like these videos, you know, click a thumbs up. Doesn't hurt anybody. Put a comment on there. You know, maybe you don't like my hair. I don't care. Put something in there. And you know, you want to follow the progress with the Supra, then, you know, click that subscribe. Other than that, you guys take it easy, man. Peace.